You humans, welcome back. This is another tutorial of Adobe Illustrator. Here we will be learning how to create the popular glitch text effect. It's usually done on raster editing tools like Photoshop, but if you are like me, you know and love the benefits of working on vector, and hence I'll show you how to do it on Illustrator. And let's begin. To start, we'll need any random vector shape or text. In case of text, we will first convert it into outlines. The shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+O in Windows and Command+Shift+O in Mac. This is a poster, a minimal poster I'm making for the film Malang by Mohit Suri. Posted recently, pretty much liked it, quite good. And the typeface I'm using is a custom one I've been developing. I'll add a link to it, link to both the poster and typeface once they're ready and out. So next, now we will be making 2 extra copies of the vector object Malang in this case. The easiest way to do that is by selecting the object and moving it with the button Option pressed in Mac and Alt pressed in Windows. We'll also be making the copies of 2 different colors. The most common combination of these are red and teal, but it's more important to go with the overall aesthetic with the rest of the piece you are creating. So in this case, one will be red and the other will be gray because there is no other color in the poster and aesthetics matter. Once that's done, we will group the 3 variations of the object: the red, the white and the gray. It's not compulsory to group it, but grouping it will make it easier to work. The shortcut for grouping is Command G in Mac and Ctrl G in Windows. Just select all of them and press start. Now comes the most important part of the tutorial, the trick. What we do in raster editing tools like Photoshop is copy and create new layers of various sections of the object and then move them around to form the glitch. But we don't have that here, so what we will be doing is using clipping mask. For that, let's start with creating a rectangle that covers the object and divide it into different sections. The most efficient way of doing that is select the rectangle we have made, go to Object, Path and split into grid. Select number, then decide number of rows. I like 4, that's my favorite number, so I'll be going with 4 and adjusting it later on depending on the requirements. Now copy the different sections of the rectangle, which is now 4 rectangles, and the object one by one and use and divide them into 4 different clipping masks. For using a clipping mask, select the rectangle, the object you want to clip, right click them together and select make a clipping mask and do the rest. Once the different clipping masks are done, we just need to move alternate parts of it to laterally by a little and the glitch is done. If you think it's not perfect, you just need to make more clipping marks in smaller sections and work on it, play with it, still it's perfect. And here you have your own glitching effect. As you already know, the benefit of vector is scalable. it's scalable, you can change any color, and the rest of the pros of working on vector, the reason I did. Just a little recap of what we started with and ended up with, and you can do too. Alright homes, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more. Use the comment section to let me know your suggestions, confusions, or just chat. And I'll provide the link to the poster and other related stuff in the description. I post more posters and photos and still stuff like that on my Instagram. Link in the description.